Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Flip and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and, for example, it does not respond to your touches. You can try to force restart it just by pressing the power button, this red one, which is located on the right side of our device, and press it long enough until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press it. And of course we've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. What is more, here we've got a hint that we have to press the button for approximately 10 seconds to force restart the device. So keep pressing all the time. We've got the developer's logo right now, which means that we just successfully force restarted this device, and in a second it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.